Hello everybody, today we are in Rosh Hanikra, which is the point of Israel that is situated in northwest, northwest, in the border with Lebanon. So what we see here is the beautiful beach, there is kibbutz, and we're gonna see grottos. So I think it's a very beautiful place. We're gonna take you there. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. So we are about to buy our tickets. As you can see, the prices are not bad. 45 shekels for an adult, 36 shekels for a child, senior, disabled person and a soldier. What about opening hours? During the winter weekdays, it's open from 9 AM till 4 PM. In the summer weekdays, it's from 9 AM till 6 PM. On Fridays, from 9 AM till 4 PM. Saturdays and holidays, 9 AM till 6 PM. So now we're gonna be entering the cable car. It was a pretty short ride, I think 30 seconds. I'm disappointed a bit, but the view is nice. The main attraction of the site is the grottos. The grottos are the result of geophysical process that has been going on for hundreds and indeed thousands of years. It all began with a series of underground shocks that ripped gapes into the bedrock. Rainwater penetrated the gaping rifts, dissolving them and forming within tunnels and the sea caves, grottos, that proceeded to expand because of the intensity of the waves slamming the rock during a storm. The length of the grotto tunnel is about 200 meters. The grottos are fascinating in all mystery surrounding them and are breathtakingly beautiful at all hours of the day and during all the seasons. You will descend to the grottos by means of a cable car, that being only the beginning. The cliff at Rosh Hanikra is made up primarily of soft sea sediment chalk interwoven with dark flint stones and was created in geological periods when the sea was shallow and warm. As a result, seaweed and sea creatures were discharged from the sea and these consolidated to form the flint stones. In the chalk rock, the sea waves slapped the grottos and the natural stone sculptures. Okay, hello back. So I really recommend visiting here, I have to be honest. It's very interesting to see the grottos, the water, how the water worked it up. But it's not a long trip. We spent here like half an hour more or less to see everything what was inside, and now we are taking the cable car back, which is a bit more trouble because the queue is quite massive and there are only 2 cable cars here, but it shouldn't be more than 20 minutes in the queue, hopefully. And I think we're gonna go somewhere we can take the drone shot, so we are pretty excited about it. The steepest cable car ride in the world is the main means by which you can approach the mysteries of the grottos. The ride in each direction takes approximately 2 minutes. The cable car descends from a height of 70 meters above the sea level at the steep angle of 60 degrees. The primordial view seen from the cable cars during the ride is simply breathtaking. We recommend you that you pull out your camera, as I did. Cable car and grottos are not the only attraction in Rosh Hanikra. You can also hire some bicycles and golf cars. Self-drive electric golf cars and bicycles are available for hire for excursions along the beach from Esplanade. The track went through a nature reserve on inflets and natural vegetation, in which you also have the chance to view the famous hyrax sunning themselves on the rocks. What about the hyrax? The common hyrax lives in rocky areas. The hyrax is a sociable animal living in a group in which there is a dominant male, an additional number of males, and a great number of females. The zoological origin of the hyrax, amazingly enough, is from the elephant. The hyrax feeds on plants and lives and reproduces in the rock grottos of Rosh Hanikra. It is possible to see the hyrax in the early morning, warming itself on the rocks, with the dominant male strategically placed, supervising all the group members. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, say hi in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. I upload every Friday and Sunday. You can also visit me on my social media, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.